Hey, what's up guys, and today in this video we are going to be talking about KolibriOS. This is a little different. Usually I talk about Windows or Mac OS, but I've decided to talk about this little operating system here. So basically what KolibriOS is, it's a little modern operating system that can literally fit on a 1.44 floppy disk. So it's pretty cool, and it has a lot of apps on it. We have File Manager. I'm not going to go through every single app on the desktop because there's a lot, and most of them aren't even. We don't really need to see them anyways. Here, let's look. Oh yeah, we have the Gears 3D demos and 2D demos, graphics. So this is like Paint, basically. Close out of that. Multimedia, Pixie Audio, Mid Amp, Toy Piano. Huh, okay. We have development. So we have all this like flat assembler, debugger, yeah, all that stuff. System, file managers, accessibility, calendar, terminal, for example. Yeah, here we have that. We also have the shell right here, so we can type help to see the list of the commands. Yeah, that works. We also have data processing. Let's see, like TinyPad. I don't know why pressing R on TinyPad every time opens up the run. If I just click R, oh yeah, it just opens run. If you just click the letter R, I don't know why. It's kind of annoying. We have network, and we have other. Oh, we have emulators on here too. That's pretty cool. So we have NES, Sega. It's probably Sega Genesis, Game Boy Color. That's really cool, and DOSBox. That's really cool. We have two web browsers. I think web browsers for like a lightweight, minimal web browser, and the other is a more modern, sophisticated one. Game Center, yeah. Here's all the games. Of course, we have Tetris. Also, a lot of games. They are kind of like clones. We have Pong and Pong 3. And we have Snake. Play some Snake. You already know the drill. We have the Chrome Dino game. You know, that works too. And we have all these other games that we don't have time to get into right now. Oh, let's just do one more. Minesweeper. Okay. Good enough. I think it's refresh. System panel. We have documentation. That's cool. And we have run. Oh yeah, of course, that's the thing. Alright, let's see the Flappy Bird rip off here. Oh, so we can unfix the icons. Maybe it's like you can move them now. Oh yeah. So like fixing them to one position. And you have to save changes with RD save. So yeah, I think every time you do changes to the system, you probably have to save it manually. I'm not sure how it works because I am running it in a emulator. We have a screen shooter. Okay, that works. What's App Plus? So we have all like additional software. Yeah, there's a lot to uncover here. Certainly stuff that I don't have time for right now, so that's pretty much it. This is just a basic, quick overview of KolibriOS. If you like this video, please be sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.